The Writers' Workshop is one of those things that people sort of inherently know about the university, much the same as they know about athletics or they know about the hospital and healthcare. The Writers' Workshop is right at that level of sort of the general understanding that people have. So it's one of those things we use to help people identify the university and introduce them to the university.
Because we are the #1 program, we get a lot of people that apply into the program. A couple years ago, we had the most ever in fiction. We had 1,300 applicants for 25 spots. And this year, we had the most poetry applicants ever with 450 applicants for 25 spots. They admit 25 in fiction and 25 in poetry every year, and then they have that many returning. So we are one of the largest writing programs, as well as being the first writing program in the world, and the best writing program in the world. People want to come to Iowa. People seem to be successful when they come to Iowa, and we have a very good track record of that. Admission is based on their writing samples, so it really is the writing that's going to get them admitted to Iowa. The rest of the stuff that they have to do is all fluff. It's all hoops they have to jump through. It really is the writing sample itself that's going to get them into Iowa. In fiction, they ask for 2 to 3 short stories or chapters of a novel. In poetry, they ask for 10 to 12 poems. They have to do 4 semesters of workshop, which means they have to take the workshop course each semester where they're submitting their own work and their classmates and discussing it and workshopping it during the semester. The rest of the coursework, it depends on the student and it depends on what they want to do. They really gear the coursework to giving them the time to write. So I think that's one of the biggest gifts that the students say they walk away from here, is having the time to write on their craft. So I think that's the biggest thing that they get here at Iowa.